What do you get?
1.35 times 10 to the negative 9.
Say it again.
1.35 times 10 to the negative 9. Did I do it wrong?
I got 2.4 times 10 to the negative 7.
That's what I got. Did you take the square root?
Okay. And remember, that is h, so now what do I press? I press negative, log, number, and I get a pH of 6 point, is it 6.2?
6.2.
What? No.
6.62.
How is it 6.6?
If there's a 9 after it.
Oh, I got 6.61. 6.612.
Did you use this number or the number that was in your calculator?
Number that was my calculator.
Use that number. Sig figs every single time.
Where did you get the .0695 from?
The volume. It's 34.5 milliliters plus 35 milliliters, the original. Okay? All right, here we go. We're moving on. We're doing the next one. D. 35 mils. Can somebody tell me what that is? That's the equivalence point, so everybody watch. That's when this is the same as this. So I'm going to lose all of this, gain all of that, right? So the only thing I have left is this. What's my new volume? 70. Somebody do this math for me and tell me what you get. 0.0750. Okay? Is everybody cool?
Yes.
Yeah. Alright, watch. I'm going to make some magic happen. You ready? What is that? The molarity of acetate. What is acetate? Conjugate base. If it's a conjugate base, it's got a Kb value. And isn't Kb always equal to x squared over concentration?
Yes.
So all I need to do is plug in Kb. It equals x squared over 0.0750. Where do I get Kb from? Ka times Kb equals Kw. So 1 times 10 to the negative 14 Kb times Ka should be 5.6 times 10 to the negative 10. Okay. Solve for x. 4.1 times.
I got 4.2.
Yeah, 4.2.
4.2.
Well, but that's x squared.
I got 6.5.
I got 6.5 times 10 to the negative.
That's what I got.
Oh, darn it.
Okay. I took this times this and then square rooted.
That's your OH.
Okay? And yes, remember, since we're doing Kb, that is my OH. So when you press negative log number, that's your POH. My POH, I get is like 5.19. Does that sound right?
Yeah.
Okay? So then you have to subtract that from 14 to get the pH. I have an answer of
8.1.
8.1. Okay? Turn the page. There's one last one. Alright. The last one. 50 milliliters. If you add 50 milliliters, that means we went past the equivalence point.
Why would we do that?
I don't know. You guys did yesterday. You went here, and then you kept going, right? Alright. So this guy is 0.00525 still. Somebody figure out what the moles of hydroxide are. 0.00750. Okay? This is 0. So now watch. Everybody watch. Now I have more base than I have acid. Okay? So I'm going to lose 0.00525, lose 0.00525, gain 0.00525, 0.00525. This will be 0. This is going to be, is that, do I have that somewhere? Is it 0.00225?
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Alright. What's my new volume in part E? Is it 85?
85, yeah.
0.085 liters, 0.085 liters. Okay. Somebody please find this guy and this guy for me. This is 0.0265. This is what? Is it 0.0618
Yeah.
or 618?
Yeah.
618. Okay? Alright. Now I need everybody's attention because this is another new part. Ready? What is that?
Oh wait. The thing.
That's OH. What is this? Acetate. This is a strong base. This is a conjugate base. Okay? Ready? If I fart, it's really, 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 really stinky. Okay? Paige, I'm sure when you fart, not so stinky. Okay? I'm sure they smell like roses, right?
Yes.
Okay? So, if Paige and I are in a car, I fart, and she farts, what does it smell like?
Yours.
Stinky, that's right. It's called the stinky fart syndrome, right? Hers is not going to like neutralize or cancel out. No, it smells stinky. That's a stinky fart. That's a not so stinky fart. Which one determines the pH?
The strong one.
This one. So just press what? Negative log number. Of course, that's your POH. And by the way, how many sig figs did we use right here? 3. So my POH is something like 12 points. Oh, I'm sorry, 1.577.
What?
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, right.
So my pH this time is going to be 12 point. I've got, does that say 923 or 423? 423. Lucas, go ahead and cut. Okay.